You know what separates smart drivers from, well, let's just say stupid ones? It's not the kind of car they drive. It's how they treat it. And today, I'm exposing 5 things only careless, money-wasting drivers do to their cars things that can silently destroy your vehicle and drain your bank account. If you've ever done any of these, don't worry, you'll never do them again after watching this. 1. Ignoring warning lights. That little glowing check engine or oil light isn't just decoration on your dashboard. Ignore it, and you could be signing up for thousands of dollars in repairs. It's like having a smoke alarm going off in your kitchen and deciding, maybe it'll fix itself. Spoiler alert, it won't. Smart drivers act early. Stupid drivers pay later. And speaking of paying later, wait until you hear mistake number 2. It's something people do every single day without even realizing it's destroying their car. 2. Driving on empty. Some drivers treat their gas tank like it's a game of how low can we go. But here's the truth, running on fumes doesn't just risk you getting stranded, it pulls dirt and debris from the bottom of your tank straight into your fuel system. That means clogged filters, damaged pumps, and repair bills that will make you wish you just spent the extra $20 on gas. Number 3. Skipping oil change. Snow. This one is the classic. Some people think oil changes are optional. I'll do it when I remember. That's like saying, I'll breathe when I have time. Oil is your car's lifeblood. Without fresh oil, your engine wears down faster than a pair of cheap sneakers. And trust me, blowing an engine because you saved a few bucks on oil is the fastest path to financial pain. 4. Riding the brakes. Ever see drivers who rest their foot on the brake pedal even when they don't need to? Congratulations, they're basically donating money to their mechanic. Riding the brakes overheats the system, wears down pads and rotors, and leaves you with spongy brakes just when you need stopping power most. Teaser. And if you think that's bad, wait until you hear the final mistake. Because number 5 isn't just about wasting money, it could actually put your life on the line. 5. Ignoring tire health. Driving with bald tires or skipping tire rotations is practically begging for disaster. Tires are your only contact with the road. Worn out rubber means longer stopping distances, poor handling, and a much higher chance of an accident, especially in rain. All because someone thought, I'll get to it later. That's not just stupid, that's dangerous. Now, here's the truth, none of these mistakes are hard to avoid. Smart drivers take a little time, a little care, and they save themselves thousands of dollars, endless headaches, and maybe even their lives. Stupid drivers? They keep doing these things, and their cars and wallets pay the price. So ask yourself, which one are you going to be? If you're ready to be the kind of driver who saves money, avoids stress, and takes real control of your car and your life, hit that subscribe button. Here at Auto Repair, we bring you weekly tips that turn everyday drivers into smart, empowered car owners. Don't just drive, drive smarter.